Hello IG Garage family. Have you noticed your car's check engine light on but there are no major performance issues, or maybe your fuel efficiency has slightly dropped? What does P0140 mean? The P0140 trouble code indicates that the oxygen sensor, also known as the O2 sensor 2, bank 1, is not sending any activity signals to the engine control module, or ECM. The oxygen sensor's job is to monitor exhaust gases and help the ECM adjust the air-fuel mixture for better performance and fuel economy. Since this sensor is located after the catalytic converter, it ensures the converter is working correctly. If the sensor stops responding, the ECM cannot adjust fuel trim properly, potentially affecting emissions and efficiency. Symptoms of P0140: check engine light, or CL, is on. Slight drop in fuel efficiency. High emissions during a smog test. It rarely affects drivability, but prolonged issues can damage the catalytic converter. Common causes of P0140: 1. A faulty oxygen sensor, specifically O2 sensor 2, bank 1. The sensor may be old, dirty, or non-functional. 2. Wiring or connector issues. Corroded, damaged, or disconnected wires leading to the O2 sensor. 3. Exhaust leaks. Any leaks before the sensor can cause incorrect readings or no signal. 4. A faulty ECM, although this is a rare case. The engine control module might not be receiving or interpreting signals correctly. And 5. Catalytic converter issues. A clogged or damaged converter may reduce exhaust flow and sensor response. Where is the oxygen sensor O2 sensor 2 bank 1 located? First, oxygen sensor 2 bank 1. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter on bank 1, which is the side with cylinder 1. Typically it is mounted on the exhaust pipe, downstream from the catalytic converter. You may need to access it underneath the vehicle, so be sure to use jack stands for safety. Second, the wiring harness and connector. Follow the wiring from the sensor to check for damage or corrosion. And third, near or on the catalytic converter. In some vehicles the sensor is attached directly to the catalytic converter, requiring removal for replacement. First, check the wiring and connectors. Inspect for burnt, frayed, or disconnected wires. Clean and reconnect if necessary. Second, test the oxygen sensor. Use an obd2 scanner to check sensor voltage readings. A multimeter can also test sensor resistance, so refer to your vehicle specs. Third, replace the O2 sensor. If the sensor is unresponsive, replace it with a new one. Use anti-seize compound on the threads to prevent rusting. Fourth, check for exhaust leaks. Inspect for cracks or leaks before the catalytic converter. And fifth, reset the check engine light. Clear the code and take a test drive to confirm the fix. Know you've been a good friend. So that's everything you need to know about P014002, sensor circuit no activity, bank 1, sensor 2. If your check engine light is on, start by checking the sensor, wiring, and exhaust leaks. Before you go, don't forget to check out these related videos. 1. P0053, heated oxygen sensor resistance issue. 2. P0501, vehicle speed sensor range, performance issue. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a fix from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.